Fire safety is a very important topic on campus, and we want to share information about the proper use of the red fire extinguishers found on Lakeland's campus. Did you know that these fire extinguishers can actually put out 3 different classes of fires? The first type is an ordinary combustibles. This is the most common type of fire that is fueled by garbage and trash cans, paper, wood, clothing, and plastics. The second class of fire are flammable liquids. These types of fires are typical of grease or gasoline leaking from a vehicle. The third type of fire that an extinguisher can put out are electrically fueled. These types of fires are a result of an electrical catalyst such as an outlet, computer, or some other electrical device found on campus. To use these extinguishers, all you have to do is remember the word PASS. PASS stands for pull the pin, aim the nozzle, squeeze the handle, sweep the nozzle back and forth at the base of the fire. Remember, in case of a fire, stay calm. If possible, activate the fire alarm system. Use a fire extinguisher to assist you in creating a clear path to exit the building, and when safe to do so, call 911. This video is a collaboration between the Lakeland Police Department and the Kirtland Fire Department.